Welcome to Genius ERP University Management System. Visit www.geniuseduerp.com and log in with your provided username and password. As you enter your username and password and click on the Sign In button, you will come to this page. Today we will see the Data Management module in detail. The Data Management module helps you manage academic and financial year details, institution shifts, stream, periodic and thematic semesters, designations, programs, modules, batches, and recent updates. Now come to the Financial Year section. Under the Financial Year section, you get details about financial years. To add new financial year details, click on the Add Financial Year button. Here select the start date and end date. Select the status whether it's an active year or not. Then click on the Submit button. Now come to the Institution Shift section. To add multiple shifts for your institute, you need to make default settings for the same under the Institution Settings module, under General Settings. Here if you select Institute Shift Type as multiple, then only you can add multiple shifts. Now to add new shifts to your institute, click on the Add Shift button. Here enter the shift name. From here select the start time. Here select the end time. From here you enter the duration time. From here select SMS or email scheduled time. Here select the late schedule time. Then click on the Submit button. Now come to the Stream section. Under this Stream section, you get a list of the stream. To add a new stream, click on the Add Stream button. Here you have to enter the stream name. Let us write here Faculty of Special and Inclusive Education. From here, enter the stream code, such as FOSSI. After entering all the details, click on Submit button. Now come to the Periodic Semester section. Under the Periodic Semester section, you get a list of the periodic semester of the university. To add new periodic semester details, click on the Add Periodic Semester button. From here you have to enter the periodic semester name, periodic semester code. Here select the periodic semester type. From date to date. If you want to enable to show in application form, then click on the box. Periodic semester already open for semester registration. After entering all the details, click on Submit button. Now come to the Thematic Semester section. Under the Thematic Semester section, you get a list of all the thematic semester of the university. To add new thematic semester details, click on the Add Thematic Semester button. Here select the program, modules. From here you have to enter the thematic semester credit load. Here select the year, semester, sequence number. After entering all the details, click on Submit button. Now come to the Designation section. Under the Designation section, you get a list of the designations in the university. To add a new designation, click on the Add Designation button. Here you have to enter the designation, such as Vice Principal. Then click on the Submit button. Now come to the Program section. First, we discuss the program category. Under this section, you get a list of all the program of the university. To add a new program, click on the Add Program button. Here you enter the program category name, such as Advanced Diploma. Then click on the Submit button. Now come to the Award Body section. Under this section, you get a list of award body. To add a new award body, click on the Add Award Body button. From here you have to enter the award body, such as Engineering Department. Then click on the Submit button. Now come to the Program section. Under this section, you get a list of all the program. To add a new program, click on the Add Program button. From here you have to select the status, stream, program category. Here you have to enter the program name, program code, program version, Program cost. Program type. From here you have to select the program duration, in month. Here you have to enter the terms per academic year, credit hours, clock hours, credit points, minimum credits per semester, maximum credits per semester, minimum hours per week, full-time daily hours. From here select the award body. Here enter the program sequence number. If you want to show the program in online registration, then click on the check boxes. From here you have to write the description. Here you have to select the program level. After entering all the details, click on Submit button. Now come to the Application Program Batch section. Under this section, you get a list of all the program batch. To add a new program batch, click on the Add Program Batch button. From here, you have to select the program batch date. After entering all the details, click on Submit button. Now come to the Sponsor Master section. Under this section, you get a list of all the sponsor. To add a new sponsor, click on the Add Sponsor button. From here you have to enter sponsorship type, sponsorship ID, sponsorship name, sponsorship contact detail, sponsorship address. From here you have to enter the intake, program sponsored, sponsored program start date, sponsored program end date. Click on the plus button. Here you option to add more program sponsored. After entering all the details, click on Submit button. Now come to the Modules section. First, we talk about Master Modules. Under this section, you get a list of Master Modules. To add a new Master Module, click on the Add Master Module button. Here you have to enter the Master Module name such as Electrical Energy Conversion. Then click on the Submit button. Now come to the Module Category section. Under this section, you get a list of module category. To add a new module category, click on the Add Module Category button. From here you have to enter the category name, such as Electrical. After entering all the details, click on Submit button. Now come to the Application Grade Point section. Under this section, you get a list of application grade point. To add a new application grade point, click on the Application Grade Point button. From here you have to enter the grade, percentage, point. Then click on the Submit button. Now come to the Modules section. Under this section, you get a list of modules. To add new modules, click on the Add Modules button. From here, you have to select the Stream, Master Course / Modules category. Here you have to enter the modules code, transcript modules number, modules title, description. From here you have to enter the course duration and select the month. Here you have to enter the expires after and then select the month. From here you have to select default coordinator, transcript association type. Here enter credit hours. From here select prerequisite course, CO requisite course. Here you enter the prerequisite credit hours, textbooks, course level. After entering all the details, click on the Submit button. Now come to the Assign Modules to Batch section. Under this section, you get a list of all assigned modules. To add a new Assign Modules, click on the Add Assign Modules button. From here you have to select periodic semester, shift, program, thematic semester, batch, modules. Here enter the max weekly classes. From here select the exam required, elective modules, module exam components. From here you can add more. After entering all the details, click on the Submit button. Now come to the Modules Allocation to the Faculty section. Under this section, you get a list of modules allocated to the faculty. To add new modules allocation, click on the Add Modules Allocation button. From here select Periodic Semester, Faculty, Shift, Program, Thematic Semester, Batch, Modules. From here you can add more. After selecting all the details, click on the Submit button. Under Report section. From here you have to select Stream, Shift, Program, Thematic Semester, Batch. Then click on the Print button. Now come to the Assign Modules to Students section. Under this section, you get a list of modules assigned to the students. From here you can export the list of assigned modules to the student in an Excel sheet. To add new modules assigned to students, click on the Add Assign Modules to the Student. From here you have to select the Periodic Semester, Shift, Program, Thematic Semester, Batch, Student, Modules. After selecting all the details, click on the Submit button. Now come to the Application Module section. Under this section, you get a list of application modules. To add a new application module, click on the Add Application Module button. Here you enter the module's code, module name. Then click on the Submit button. Now come to the Batch section. Here you can see the batch list. To add a new batch, click on the Add Batch button. Here select the Periodic Semester, Shift. From here enter the batch name, batch code, total student. Then click on the Submit button. Now come to the Recent Update section. Here you can see the recently updated modules list. This page will display any updates made by the admin to any modules.